The concept of plant power daily emerged as a significant trend in the health and wellness sector, particularly among younger generations who prioritize their dietary habits. Originating in Japan in the early 2010s, it began with small publications that focused on plant-based diets and the benefits of consuming more fruits, vegetables, and whole grains over processed foods. The popularity of Plant Power Daily surged in 2015, when major media outlets started to cover the trend extensively, leading to a significant increase in book sales related to vegetarianism and veganism. By the late 2010s, several influential figures within Hollywood and sports had publicly endorsed plant-based diets, further solidifying this dietary trend's prominence. Plant Power Daily quickly evolved into an online platform that provided meal plans, recipes, nutritional advice, and articles aimed at promoting sustainable eating practices. The website gained immense popularity among millennials and Generation Z, who were eager to adopt more environmentally friendly food choices due to concerns about climate change. According to a 2021 report by Mintel, the global sales of plant-based meat alternatives reached over $4 billion annually, indicating that the shift towards Plant Power Daily has significantly impacted consumer behavior globally. The emergence and proliferation of Plant Power Daily have led to measurable effects on various sectors. The agriculture industry experienced growth in crop cultivation for fruits, vegetables, and grains, with an estimated 12% increase in global fruit production attributed directly to plant-based dietary trends. However, this shift has also resulted in a notable decline in the sales of animal products, especially among younger consumers who are more health-conscious. Plant Power Daily's influence on the environment cannot be overlooked. The trend has contributed to reducing greenhouse gas emissions by encouraging less resource-intensive food systems. The reduction in methane produced from livestock and the decrease in water consumption for crop irrigation have been quantifiable benefits. However, critics argue that some plant-based alternatives can still contribute to environmental issues, if not sourced sustainably. Despite these concerns, Plant Power Daily has brought numerous advantages such as improved health outcomes attributed to better nutrition profiles of plant-based diets, including higher fiber intake and lower saturated fat content. The shift towards more plant-centric eating habits has also spurred innovation in technology aimed at making meal preparation easier and promoting sustainable food systems globally. Looking ahead, it is expected that the global adoption rate for Plant Power Daily will continue to rise, supported by technological advancements that make healthy plant-based diets more accessible to a broader audience. By 2050, predictions suggest that approximately 1/3 of all food consumed worldwide could be plant-based, further emphasizing how influential and pervasive this dietary trend has become.